Well, good morning, everyone, and welcome to Cochise College's Douglas campus. Today we gather officially to dedicate and rename this facility as the Anne Marie Stevens Science Building. At colleges and universities, buildings are more than just physical space. They tell a story of the people who have shaped an institution and invested in its future. Anne Marie Stevens has made an extraordinary investment in Cochise College and, more importantly, in the future of our students, in the communities, and in industry here in Cochise. Her generosity and belief in the power of education and creating opportunities for students who will pursue their passion in viticulture, agriculture, and science for generations to come. Through the Anne Marie Stevens Viticulture Program, students will gain both classroom knowledge and hands-on experience where the real magic takes place through partnerships with local vineyards and wineries.
You know, today I'm reminded that viticulture is a beautiful metaphor for education. It requires patience, deep roots, the right environment, and a belief in the future. You don't plant a vineyard for tomorrow, you plant a vineyard for the years and decades ahead. And thank you again for all you've done and will continue to do for our students.